Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the basics of symbolic AI, also known as good old-fashioned AI or GOFAI. So what exactly is symbolic AI? Well, it's an old-school approach to artificial intelligence that relies heavily on the manipulation of symbols and rules. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a set of Lego bricks, and each brick represents a piece of information or a rule. By putting these bricks together in specific ways, you can build complex structures and solve problems. In symbolic AI, knowledge is explicitly encoded using logic, rules, and structured data. This means that all the information and rules are predefined, allowing systems to perform reasoning, decision-making, and problem-solving based on these established rules. One of the biggest strengths of symbolic AI is its ability to handle tasks that require clear and interpretable logic. Expert systems, knowledge representation, and rule-based reasoning are prime examples of where GOFAI shines. Unlike modern machine learning, which relies on identifying patterns in vast amounts of data, symbolic AI doesn't need massive datasets to function. Instead, it uses formal logic and symbolic reasoning to achieve its goals. However, it's important to note that while symbolic AI was dominant in the early days of AI research, it has its limitations. Modern AI techniques like machine learning and neural networks have taken the spotlight due to their ability to handle more complex and less structured data. But don't count GOFAI out just yet. Its clear logic and interpretability make it invaluable for certain applications, especially when transparency and explainability are critical. So, that's a quick rundown of symbolic AI. Whether you're a fan of the old-school approach or excited about the latest in machine learning, understanding the basics of GOFAI is essential for any AI enthusiast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI insights. Catch you in the next one.